Good morning, Year 6. Today's lesson is involving measures and problems involving measures, and we're looking at decimals today. We will put this PowerPoint onto Google Classroom for you to work through at your own pace. So the first question is all about mass, and it says precious metals are sold by mass. That's another word for weight, how heavy they are. Here's a table showing the price for 1 gram of each metal. 1 gram. Number 1, calculate the difference in price between 1 gram of gold and 1 gram of platinum. So if I look at the table, 1 gram of gold is £33.67. 1 gram of platinum is £27.29. Now the question says find the difference. So I know the operation I've got to use there is take away. So I'm going to put £27.29, making sure I've lined up my decimals. Then I've got to work it out. So 7 take away 9 I can't do. So I take 1 from the 6, 17 take away 9 leaves me with 8. 5 take away 2 is 3. Again 3 can't take away from 7, so I take 1. 13 take away 7 is 6. 2 take away 2 is 0. So the difference in price is £6.38. Second question, how many grams of silver will cost the same as 3 grams of gold? So a different calculation this time. 3 grams of gold is 3 lots of 33.67. I'm going to pause now. Can you work out what 3 lots of £33.67 is?
So hopefully you calculated that 3 grams of gold costs you £101.01. The question asks you how many grams of silver would cost the same as that. So if 1 gram of silver is 50p, we know we've got to divide that number by 50p. Now 50p is half of a pound. So I'm going to do £101 divided by a half. So from our maths lessons, we know when we're dividing by a fraction, this stays the same. We multiply and then we flip the second fraction. And £101.01 is same as over 1 whole. So times them by 2. And 1 times 1 is 1. So I can buy 202 grams of silver at 50p, but then I'd have some left over, but still not enough to buy another gram. So 202 grams of silver is the same.
Okay, so for the remainder of the PowerPoint, you've got lots of different questions that go through different units of measure, and then we've set some different tasks for you to complete on Doodle.